Hello students. Today we are going to create a Picasso cat. This is abstract art, and when we look at it, our image will be unrealistic. We will use Cubism to show the image from different perspectives. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take a black Sharpie, and we're going to draw a cat eye somewhere toward the center of our paper. Then going to turn your paper 90 degrees, and you're going to draw another cat eye that is 3 times as large as your first. And give it a unique looking pupil to make it look more cat-like. I'm going to add some lines to represent the iris. There we go. Okay, we'll turn our paper again another 90 degrees. And at this point, we will draw a cat nose. Think about what a cat's nose might look like to you. And you're just going to go ahead and add that. I'm going to go ahead and add some whiskers. I do think of those when I think of a cat. I want to add maybe a different shape to my whisker just to give it that abstract look. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn it again 90 degrees. And at this point, we're going to draw a paw. Okay, let's turn our paper another 90 degrees. And we will add a tail. Remember, this is an abstract cat, so anything goes. Okay, we're going to turn another 90 degrees. We're going to add another paw. And we'll turn another 90 degrees and we will add an ear. It's an ear for our cat. I'm going to go ahead and add this inside to give it a little detail. Okay, now what I'm going to do is figure out how I can connect all of the features of my Picasso cat to create one image. I'm going to go ahead and do that in whatever way makes sense to me. Again, it's abstract art, so it does not have to look like a real cat. It is a Picasso cat. All right, now that I have my cat connected, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 lines going through my image. I'll use my ruler to do that. I'm doing that so that I can incorporate Cubism when I color my image. And what that does is it segregates different parts of my image into sections. Excuse me. Okay. And there's the 3rd line right there. Okay, I am now ready to color my image and making sure to add lots of different colors. I want it to be bright. I'm using color. I'm using my 3 lines, my separate spaces to all represent Cubism, which again shows an image from a different perspective. And another thing about Picasso is he would always think about an image from different locations. So within one image, you may see an object from the top, from the side, from the bottom, all of that mixed into one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and bring forth my finished product. Okay, you can see that I have colored each section a different color. You see that it's all connected as one image. And maybe you're seeing it from the top, maybe you're seeing it from the bottom, maybe you're seeing it from the side, but all at one time. I would also like to suggest that you take another piece of paper and a glue stick and frame your art piece so that it's nicely displayed. Maybe you want to display it on the refrigerator. Maybe you want to display it in your bedroom. Maybe you have a special place where you like to display your art in your home. And I just think when you frame it, it adds a nice pop of color, and it also looks like a finished product. Enjoy creating your Picasso cat. Thank you, students. See you next time.